Hi folks, welcome to Barb Makes Things. Today I'd like to talk about how I come up with project ideas.
Barb Makes Things!
It's something I get asked a lot. Hey Barb, are you running out of ideas of things to make? How do you come up with them anyway? As for the first question, am I running out? No. I have too many ideas. Just look at all of the in progress things that I have. And no, I haven't abandoned those. I make too many bad jokes to let the rim shot machine idea just fall out of my head. I do, however, make just about all of these things in my free time. And I have to make them fit in that time frame while still making videos every week. So it can take a while. The second question, how do I come up with my ideas, is a fun one. Because the answer to that one is that I cultivate and teach a tinkering mindset. See, tinkering isn't an activity. It's a way of life. It's a way of looking at the world with an eye to modification. How do you do this? Pick something, anything, and ponder these questions. How would I do this differently? Is absolutely everything about it ideal for its purpose, for every purpose? Is there anything about your life or someone else's life that makes this thing not ideal? For example, I make my own tool belts because there aren't many fashionable tool belts designed for plus size women. Probably not a huge market for it, but that's all right. I can make them to my own specifications. This also extends into modifying and hacking things that you have already. If it's broken, fix it. If it's not quite right, tweak it. If you need a new accessory, make it. Another question to ask is, what do I like best about it? And how could I incorporate those aspects into something different? This could be an aesthetic that appeals to you. It could be a neat function or just some little mechanism that draws your attention. I've mentioned before the book Steal Like an Artist. One of the first things that Austin Kleon talks about is that there is no original idea. Everything made was made by someone or a group of someone's, and everything made was based on something made before. We stand on the shoulders of the giants who came before us, and so did they. One of my favorite things about the maker movement right now is this culture of sharing. People are happy to tell you how they did what they did so that you can replicate it or make modifications or just learn from it. So look at what others have made. Check out websites like Instructables and Make Magazine, all of the 3D model sharing sites. Links are down there. See what people are making on Etsy. Subscribe to the YouTube channels of people who make things like, again, the links. There are so many people making so many interesting things, and I find it wildly inspiring. If you can, visit a local maker or hacker space. Visit a science museum. Look at the websites of the Exploratorium and Curiosity Machine. Look for hackathons to participate in. Go to a maker fair. A tinkering mindset is about being curious and looking at things in different ways. Kids are naturals at this. So for an adult, engaging with a childlike attitude or playing imagination games with the kids in your life will help. Dive in, see what others are doing, and engage your brain. If you look at everything as a source of inspiration and learning, everything as a thing that can be hacked, the ideas will not stop coming. If you like this video, share it with a friend. If you didn't, share it with an enemy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Make sure to take a look at some of my other builds and how-tos. There are a lot of them. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you click the little bell, you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you'd like to get videos a little early and support my channel, you can visit my Patreon page. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.